Okay, so this would be, I would say, let area rect equals to function, right, and I'll pass L comma B, right, which would be for length and breadth, and in this I would simply say return A into B. Now what I would do is, आवाज अटक रहा है, अभी क्लियर है?
नो सर, नहीं अटक रहा.
हेलो हेलो हेलो
सही है सर, सही है.
सही है ना? ओके
अभी आ रहा है.
okay, then I can simply call this in console.log as well, and I'll say area rect, and I'll pass say 10 comma 5. What this would do is, area rect may L would contain 10, B would contain 5, and it would return 10 into 5, that is 50, and this 50 we are directly printing it here, right? So if I open the terminal and I run this, let's see. I can simply say node index.js, and it gave me a very big error. A is not defined. Oh, it should be written L into B. Am I wrong? Right, so I would say node index.js. What I got here is 50. Right, now in the same way, if I have to create another function that returns area of a circle. So what is area of a circle? It is pi r square. Right, so I can simply say let area circle equals to, again I would say function. Now can you guys tell me how many parameters should I pass inside this? A single parameter, which is a radius?
Single parameter.
Yes, and I would simply say return 3.14 into r into r. Since pi is constant, it is 3.14. So I would simply say console.log area circle, right, and I'll pass the radius, let's say 7, right? So it should return me 7 into 7, 49, 49 into 3, something, some value nearby 150. So it gave me 153.86, right? So it is calculating area of circle here, right? So ये simple है function, कोई no rocket science in this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, now let us write a little complex function, not very complex, but a very little and very small function, right? A function which finds whether a given year is leap year or not. Now can you guys tell me what is a leap year? So a leap year, right, has a peculiar definition, right? Or how do you identify whether a given year is leap year?
The year with 366 days.
Yes, it is the year with 366 days. That is absolutely correct, right? But what you get as an input is some year, let's say 1956, or what you can get is 1978, right? So the input to your function would be the year. Input to your function, it would be the year, right? So we have no mechanism by which we would define ki, okay boss, this particular year has 366 days, right? So then using this as input ki 1956 आया या 1978 आया, तो how would you calculate what a leap year is? Or my question is 1956 a leap year? Is 1956 a leap year? Yes or no? Is 1956 a leap year, or was 2020 a leap year? Can you tell me, was 2020 a leap year or not? Yes, no, कुछ तो.
Yes.
So was 2020 a leap year?
Yes, sir. 2020.
Why was it a leap year? Can you tell me क्यों था वो leap year? Okay. So what I am going to do today is, every fourth year is a leap year. Okay, that is not correct, Aniket. Every fourth year is not necessarily a leap year. Okay, let me ask you this question. 2020 is a leap year. Why? Because 2020 mod 4 is 0. What it means is that if 2020 is divided by 4, it is a leap year. Am I correct in saying this? If I say that 2020 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4, so am I correct in saying this? Yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll tell you the definition, and what I would expect from you guys is कि आपने इसके लिए एक फंक्शन लिखना है लीप ईयर के लिए. Right? That is what my expectation would be. Right? Now, we can divide an year into a century year, and non-century year. Now, what is a century year? A century year is an year which is divisible by 100. So 1000 is a century year, 2000 is a century year, 3000 is a century year, then 2100 is a century year, 2200, 2300, 2400, 1900 was a century year, right? So year which comes after every 100 years, that would be century year, right? Or which ends with two zeros, that would be a century year, right? So year which is divisible by 100 is a century year. Right, now for a leap, 1 minute, for a century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 400, and for a non-century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 4. Right, so these are the rules. Right, now what you have to do is write a function that takes an year as input, right, and it should print leap year if the year is leap, else print not a leap year. This is your task. Right, I'll copy this thing, I'll send it to you as well. But anyways, ये वीडियो देखना instead of me doing anything. Right, and आपका फंक्शन कैसा रहेगा? Let's say let is leap equals to function and you will pass year in it. Now what I want you guys to do is apply some logic here and print if this year is something which we are passing, and how you would test is you would test it like this: is leap, and you will pass 2100, right? This should print you not a leap year. Then you will pass is leap 2020, it should print you leap year.
सर ये तो if else स्टेटमेंट से भी हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ, देखना ना करके, इतना सीधा सीधा नहीं, इफ एल्स से ही है, लेकिन जितना सोच रहे हो उतना सीधा नहीं है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस फंक्शन, राइट? अप्लाई योर लॉजिक. 2100,
जो भी अपन
बोलो.
सर यानी जो भी अपन इनपुट दे रहे हैं mod by 4 is equal to 0, तो वो लीप ईयर ही होता है ना, जैसा
नहीं
आपने बताया?
नहीं, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. ये लॉजिक है लीप ईयर का. 2100 it is divisible by 4 but still it is not a leap year. इसका रीजन क्या है? इसका रीजन ये है कि 2100 is a century year. ठीक है, why is it a century year? Because it is divisible by 100, right? And for a century year to be leap year it should be divisible by 400. ये उसका टेस्ट है कि अगर सेंचुरी ईयर है
हाँ सर.
तो वो 400 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, अगर नॉन सेंचुरी ईयर है तो वो 4 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, राइट? तो आपने क्या करना है, ये तरीके से आपका लॉजिक अप्लाई करना है, राइट? एंड व्हाट यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इज यू कैन यूज लॉजिकल एंड लॉजिकल और ऑपरेटर, राइट? double ampersand is logical and double pipe is logical or, right? मैं सिर्फ इतना ही दे रहा हूँ, मैं इसके सिवा कुछ नहीं दे रहा आज तुम लोगों को. बट ये जितना लगता है उतना सीधा नहीं है, राइट? एंड इफ आई ऑल्सो पास इज लीप say 1953, it should print not a leap year. Right, so this is your assignment today, that you have to complete this function. ये लॉजिक बिल्डिंग में बहुत काम का है. इफ एल्स एकदम क्लियर हो जाता है ये वाले पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन से, राइट?